Okay, I'm going to just sketch these out. These are word problems, and so it's kind of helpful to just make a little sketch of what we're talking about. Um, so this first one, number 14, says, find the area of a trapezoid with bases of 12 and 18 and a height of 10. So let's say we've got a base of 18 and a base of 12. Doesn't matter that the trapezoid's upside down, doesn't really make a difference. And we've got a vertical height between the two um, bases of 10. Okay, now they gave us the units as centimeters, and we'll put those in the final answer. Let me just insert here our formula. Oops. And we're going to use this formula over and over again. Okay, so sorry, I don't know how much of that you're seeing, but so then if we want to calculate the area, we would say 1/2 times the height of 10 times the bases of 18 plus 12, which we could say that is 1/2 times 10 times 30, which if you calculate it all out gives us 150, and they were centimeters as the units, so we have centimeters squared as our answer. No real trick to this, just you gotta maybe make a sketch. You don't even really need to make a sketch. In fact, let's not make a sketch on this next one. And let's just see how we do without making the sketch. I am going to include the formula because it's really helpful to start with the formula. Okay, there you go. Sorry about my voice. And we've got bases of 2 and 3 and a height of 1/3. So let's just fill all that information in. We've got 1/2 times a height of 1/3 times the sum of the bases. The bases are 2 plus 3. So we've got 1/2 times 1/3. Can do better than that. 1/3. Oh my gosh, sorry about this. There you go. Times 5. And 1/2 times 1/3 is 1/6 times 5, which then gives us an area of 5 times 1/6 is 5/6. And what was the units? Feet. So we've got feet squared. There you go. Didn't need to draw a sketch of that. And in fact, let's not do a sketch of this one either. Let's just use the formula for number 16 as well. Okay? Hopefully this is all making sense to you. Okay, this one's using a little bit bigger numbers. That's okay. Here's the formula. I guess we'll just leave it there. And let's fill in the information that we've got. We've got, let's see, 1/2 times, they say, height of 110 miles, because we're talking about the state of Tennessee, and it's U.S. states are pretty big spaces, times the bases of 340 and 440. So we will say, okay, that is 1/2 times 110 times 340 plus 440 is 780. And then we could say 1/2 of 110 is 55. So you've got 55 times 780. And I'm going to do that on the calculator because not feeling so great today, and I can't count on my fuzzy brain working correctly. So we've got then 42,900. And what were they? They were miles as units, so we can say that is then miles squared. That is going to be an estimate of the area of Tennessee. It's an estimate because it's not a perfect trapezoid. They're just kind of saying it resembles that shape. Um, yeah, hope I did that right because I didn't look at my answers. Let's check the answers right now. Let's just check them against what's up on the lesson page. 150 centimeters squared for 14, 5/6 square feet for number 15, and 42,900 square miles for number 16. We did good.